Bean Envy Cold Brew Coffee Maker 32 ounces, premium quality glass, perfect for homemade cold brew and iced coffee, includes unique non-slip silicone base. Cold Brewing Perfected. Whether you're discovering cold brew coffee for the first time or you've been brewing for years, Bean Envy has developed the perfect cold brew system that delivers you 70% less acidity per brew than traditional iced or hot coffee. The concentrated flavors Bean Envy's cold brew system are rich, smooth and can be used for a variety of drinks and coffee recipes. Also included for free is our new tight-fitting silicone cap. Superior quality and durability. We designed this cold brew coffee maker with one thing in mind: our customers deserve the best. The 304 stainless steel precision cut filter and lid with BPA-free silicone rings, thick and durable shock-resistant borosilicate carafe and patent-pending non-slip base design separate us from other cold brewers on the market. Delivering a commercial quality system at a residential price is what you will receive with Bean Envy's Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Safe, fast and easy to use, Bean Envy's Cold Brew Coffee Maker is not only fun but easy to brew, store and clean. Simply pour the desired amount of coarse ground coffee. Don't worry, we include a simple step-by-step instruction manual. Add water and let brew between 12 to 24 hours. It's really that fast and easy to start brewing. Rinsing clean only takes a few seconds with our FDA food-grade filter. No more messy spills, style second to none. What good is great functionality without great design? Many customers say that our stylish design looks amazing in kitchens, offices and is the perfect size for any fridge. Worry-free purchase. We at Bean Envy stand behind our products with our unconditional satisfaction guarantee and lifetime warranty. If you are not 100% satisfied, please contact us immediately and we will help you right. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.